Jasmy making a nice move to the upside right now at 003145. Is this the start of the uptrend? Are we gonna see the end of the year being bullish, going straight into the Bitcoin halving that's gonna take place next year? I wouldn't be surprised, Jasmy fam. If you're tuning in, we're gonna dive into some very interesting information that you won't want to miss. So please be sure to watch the video until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share the videos with your friends and family. From Nutrix, Apex official press release in 2022, Jasmy adopted its multi-cloud storage solution, Nutrix Cloud, for its Jasmy personal data locker service. Nutrix Cloud is a multi-cloud storage solution that can be used to store large data. It is compatible with major cloud computing providers such as Amazon Web Services. AWS is massive, by the way, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It's also specified that Apex and Jasmy will share their technical and technological knowledge mutually. So, once again, Jasmy team and what they've accomplished has run very deep. So as you guys can see right here, from Nutrix Cloud can easily expand to PB, petabyte class data, and is compatible with AWS and Amazon Web Services. It is full-fledged multi-cloud that can be connected to Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. Remember, Microsoft Azure is what recently got their data leak, or the data hack, right? And we gotta let Microsoft know Jasmy solves this, Jasmy fixes this, right? And its comprehensive cloud service that provides high performance, high reliability, and low prices. Cloud storage stores data in Japan, Tokyo, and Osaka region, can be expanded up to 1 PB plus, so you can store large amounts of data with peace of mind. In addition, we'll start collaborating with NCJ, which operates Nutrix Cloud in Japan from April. Since then, we have been providing a multi-cloud storage service, Nutrix Cloud, as an NCJ sales agent. On the other hand, Jasmy Coin Limited's mission is to create and provide a system that allows anyone to use these things easily, safely, and with peace of mind, and uses distributed technologies such as blockchain and edge computing. This company is engaged in development and provision of its own IoT platform since March of 2021. Apex and Jasmy have been collaborating on joint research and development and conducting demonstration experiments with the aim of creating a new IoT business that applies the blockchain technology provided by Jasmy. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Massive stuff, Jasmy fam. You hear it? You read that with me? Did you guys read that with me? Apex and Jasmy collaborating on joint research and development to make the most powerful IoT business using Jasmy's blockchain tech. This time, Apex is launching a high security PDL developed and provided by Jasmy that uses blockchain tech to safely manage your data and use it more proactively than ever before. As a result, proposing Nutrix Cloud as a distributed storage for Jasmy PDL, it was adopted by Jasmy, and we ended up providing Nutrix Cloud to the company. In addition to providing Nutrix Cloud to Jasmy, Apex is providing Jasmy with support for creating and proposing system configurations and providing proof of concept. Going forward, we plan to continue providing operational maintenance and system construction support to Jasmy as the PDL is rolled out. Apex has long had a collaborative relationship with both Jasmy and NCJ, and we believe this transaction will contribute to building a relationship between Jasmy and NCJ. So who knows, right? This was way back in 2021. More likely than not, Jasmy and NCJ has already built their partnerships, right? Furthermore, we believe that this matter will expand the possibility of realizing services that can further improve the security of personal information, that we are ultimately all able to contribute to creating an environment where service users can safely and securely use their personal data and earn from it. By the way, I'm here. And right here, once again from Nutrix, people sometimes imagine Jasmy project creating a national infrastructure IoT blockchain, including all areas of life, and also aiming internationally takes 2 or 3 years. If you are not patient with Jasmy, might as well leave the project now. That is the true goal, right? To be an IoT platform worldwide, right? But obviously these things take time. So we have some images right here going through like the issue command lines for the blockchain encryption services, which again ties into the PDL with encryption services. Command sent completed, a blockchain demo. And right here, if you see this image, flipped it for you guys, you can see like a demo of the blockchain. More than likely some tests being run for Jasmy chain, right? Blockchain demo, right? Eventually it's gonna happen, man, and a lot of people, like I said, will be taken back by what's to come for Jasmy. The team just stays consistently active and keeps building, man, and I respect it so much because there's so many projects that didn't keep building throughout the bear market. They just disappeared. They just disappeared. I can name so many, but Jasmy's still here standing strong, and so is the community. And one thing that is super important for a project success is the community. You're not gonna find one like the Jasmy community, man. It's very unique, right? Jasmy fam, I've been thinking about this for some time. It is worth the 2-minute read in my humble opinion. Building thought, quote, selling may and go away, which has often held quite true. 2 most common questions are price and when. Price. People have a multitude of thoughts ranging from cents to the very popular $1 and the mega bullish $17. What if I gave you a conservative yet logical price points that intersect with the date, essentially saying that on this date, sell at one of those price points or right around that time? All of that being said, this chart is conservative and logical. It is also user-friendly, can also adjust moving forward off most of the recent price action. However, the date will remain. What if the target we hit will be before the date? Even better, scale out price according to your price plan regardless of date. So Dr. Jasmy is giving you guys a little tips of what's to come for the bull cycle, because you know how, for example, the Bitcoin bottom was in, and they had a ton of projects that made an impulse from the bottom, which took place last year when Bitcoin dropped to around $15,000 to $16,000. That was the bottom, and majority of people didn't time the bottom. They didn't, right? So just how you DCA on the way out, you should layer your profits on the way up to the all-time highs, because nobody will be able to really time the top of the cycle. Like, you won't be able to time the top, so take profits at certain levels on the way up, which makes sense, right? I think this is an awesome and unique approach that can be used for anyone to have conservative and realistic plan to lock in gains, scale in and out, DCA, leave completely, and or sell and leave a moon bag for the long term or mega moon run. I made this for my Jasmy fam, my closest friends and family, and for self. If you don't see its value, that's cool, simply throw it out. If you see the value, please take it, save it, share it, and apply it. Will update with the most up-to-date price action and information ahead of the targeted date. I personally am applying this system to additional coins as well. Have a plan. I hope this one is helpful for those who need it. Let me know your thoughts. Buy low, sell high. So right here, Dr. Jasmy showing you guys nice targets for taking profits on the way up, right? And this is more a conservative targets for Jasmy, up to 38 cents, right? So as we can see, maybe at 1 cent to 6 cent, that could be a take profit range. 1 cent to 10 cent, or 10 cent to 20 cent, those could be take profits ranges. And then 20 cent to 30 cent, you take maybe 20% profits around the 20 cent to 30 cent range, all the way up to potentially the dollar, which I think still could be possible here for Jasmy, right? Renee.eth, Jasmy, the rising star of the crypto royal, is ready to ignite with its innovative approach to decentralized finance and seamless integration with Web3. Jasmy is poised to skyrocket to new heights. Buckle up and join the journey to the moon. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. From Neoxtrix for fudders and others who think Jasmy Lab horror is a joke or supposed scam, please file a complaint with the Japanese authorities. You will be relieved with pleasure. So about Jasmy Co Limited. Jasmy Co Limited is a corporation located at 123 Kita Aoyama, Minato-ku, Tokyo, with corporate number, registered as a corporation at the Tokyo Legal Affairs Bureau Minato branch office. And the corporate number was changed on June 8th, 2023. Look at that. So, Jasmy registered as a corporation at the Tokyo Legal Affairs Bureau Minato branch office. There you go. If you got issues with with Jasmy, talk to the Tokyo Legal Affairs, okay? The Labor Bureau is this area. Tokyo is the Tokyo Labor Bureau. The MITA Labor Standards Inspection Officer is the Labor Standards Inspection Office with jurisdiction. Right? Oh man, Neo Xtrix. Neo Xtrix making me laugh, man. If you got an issue with Jasmy, go take it up with the Tokyo Legal Affairs Bureau. That is awesome, man. Always providing great information, Neo Xtrix, diving down the rabbit hole as well as the rest of the Jasmy fam. And we recently talked about Apex. We have a bit more information on Apex here once again. Nutrix Cloud, adopted by Jasmy, is compatible with a wide range of data, including large data such as video and audio data. It is also compatible with the strictest security standards such as ISO 27001. The adoption of Apex Nutrix Cloud multi-cloud storage solution for the personal data locker service will provide a more secure and reliable personal data storage solution for Jasmy. In addition, Nutrix Cloud is available worldwide. Let's zoom into the image. As you can see, the Apex IoT platform, Nutrix Cloud was started in the United States. Nutrix Cloud Japan will begin services in addition to Nutrix Cloud service. Nutrix Cloud Japan will provide a comprehensive range of cloud services such as compute and networking. Absolutely massive stuff, man. For saying 1K, my eyes are set on Jasmy x Vio x Pokemon HQ in Japan, who recently adopted Vio as their go-to provider for hardware. What? Pokemon HQ in Japan adopted Vio as their come on, man. PDL goals may very well be pushed for through the Japanese-based entities. And we know, guys, Vio is the company that created the Jasmy Secure PCs, and we see there's massive connections here with the CEO of Vio and the Jasmy team, right? When he went to Indonesia and India, they talked about Jasmy, right? So they the Pokemon HQ, you know how massive Pokemon is. The Pokemon HQ adopting Vio as their go-to provider for hardware. That's massive stuff. What? I'm telling you, man, Jasmy's gonna go crazy in the bull run. At least I believe so. Obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, but a lot of alts will go crazy, and I really think Jasmy will be one of them. I'm telling you, that's how bull runs are, man. They recently had a project that's trending on CMC right here, Loom Network, right? Out of nowhere, just started going ballistic. Look at just 10x up in like 2 weeks, a week, right? These are the type of runs we're gonna see in the bull run, man. And again, this project, nobody knows about this project. No updates, no partnerships, no development, no real development. They tweet once a month. They don't have no community behind this project. But all of a sudden, out of nowhere, from 40 to 50 mil market cap to 460 mil market cap, and we're not even bull run yet. You know, this is what I'm saying, Jasmy fam. That's the type of runs you're gonna see for Jasmy, just out of nowhere, just massive runs, and people will be taken by surprise, and they're gonna FOMO in and get wrecked. Now is the time to DCA into Jasmy, right? Get a bag that you're happy with. Don't overinvest, obviously, right? Get a bag you're happy with and just be patient. You buy now when the projects are down. That's when you buy, when everyone is fearful, and then you sell when you see the huge massive runs to the upside, and that's how you make money in the space. It's that simple, right? So Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate all the support that you give. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.